Welcome. Today, I'll walk you through the quickest way to share your Telegram QR code. An updated method to connect with friends, family, or colleagues in seconds. No complicated steps, no confusion. Let's dive in. First, unlock your device and open the Telegram app. If you're not logged in, enter your credentials. Once you're on the main screen, look to the top left corner. You'll see 3 horizontal lines stacked together. Tap on them. This opens the menu where you'll find settings, saved messages, and more. Next, shift your attention to the top of your profile section. Right beside your name and profile picture, there's a small QR code icon. Tap it. Instantly, your personalized QR code will appear on the screen. This unique code acts as a digital handshake. Anyone who scans it can start chatting with you instantly. Now here's the fun part. Telegram lets you customize your QR code's appearance. Below the code, you'll see different color themes and styles. Want something sleek? Switch to the dark mode option. Prefer vibrant colors? Pick a theme that pops. Take a moment to choose a design that reflects your personality. Once you're happy with how it looks, it's time to share. Directly beneath the QR code, you'll spot a button labeled Share QR Code. Tap it. A menu will pop up with sharing options. You can send it through Telegram itself, email, or even third-party apps like WhatsApp or Instagram. Select the platform you prefer. Telegram simplifies sharing further by letting you save the QR as an image. If you'd rather share it later or post it on social media, tap Save to Gallery before exiting. The image will be stored in your photos, ready for use anytime. And that's it. Whether you're networking professionally or staying connected with loved ones, your QR code ensures seamless communication. No more typing out usernames or phone numbers. Just share the code and you're done. Pro tip: update your QR code's design periodically to keep it fresh. If privacy is a concern, share the code selectively through trusted channels. For those managing groups or channels, this feature is a game changer. Promote your community with a single scan. Thanks for tuning in. If this guide made sharing your Telegram QR code effortless, give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Until next time, stay connected and keep exploring Telegram's features. Goodbye.